Children, welcome back to English class. Children, today we are going to see grammar part. In that, we are going today kinds of sentence. What? Kinds of sentence. வாக்கியங்களின் வகைகள். Okay. What we are talking daily? We are talking a language. Okay, a language. Maybe Tamil, English, anything. But in each and every language, it has letters. Okay. Group of letters join together, create a word. Group of words join together, creates a sentence. A sentence, if should give a complete meaning, then only it is a meaningful sentence. Otherwise, no one understand what we are talking. Am I right? Yes. ஒரு வார்த்தை, ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ், ஒரு தொடர் நம்ம பேசுகிறோம், ஒரு விஷயத்தை ஒருத்தவங்க சொல்கிறோம், அப்போ அது சென்டென்ஸில் தான் சொல்கிறோம், ஃபுல்லாக ஃப்ளோவாக சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா? அப்போ நம்ம கரெக்டாக யூஸ் பண்ணாதான் அது அவங்களுக்கு புரியும் வார்த்தைகளை. சரியா? ஸோ a sentence must give a complete meaning. It is meaningful only. It wants to give meaning. Okay. So what is sentence, children? What is a sentence? That only we are going to see here. A group of words that makes complete sense. That I already told, no. It want to give complete meaning. It's called a sentence. A sentence expresses a complete thought. Yes, what we are thinking in our mind, we want to convey properly using the correct sentence. It must contain subject and a verb. A sentence should have subject and verb. Subject means who is doer of the action. Okay, verb means action. What is going in that sentence? What action is going in that sentence? That is, we can categorize the sentence based on their purpose and the structure. Yes, we can categorize, we can divide what kind of sentence is this. We can say based on the sentence. Okay, so a sentence must give complete meaning. We should talk meaningful sentence only. Now, shall we see how many types of sentences? There are 4 types of sentences. How many types? 4 types of sentence. The first one is declarative statement. Declarative means statement only. Sadharana vakyam. Then we can say assertive also. Yes, assertive. Assertive. Okay, first one is assertive. That is statement. Declarative also we can say. Then interrogative. That is question. Interrogative means question. It is a question sentence. It asks something. Then imperative. Imperative means command, request and order. Command, that sentence has some command, some request. Please give your book. Open the page. Likewise. Exclamatory, exclamatory we can say. That is, it shows some emotions and ends with exclamatory mark. Okay. So first one is assertive statement. That is in Tamil சாதாரண வாக்கியம். அந்த சென்டென்ஸில் எந்த ஒரு கேள்வி இருக்காரு, வியப்பு இருக்காது, ஆர்டர் இருக்காரு, அப்போ அது ஒரு சாதாரண வாக்கியம். ஓகே, நான் ஒரு மாணவன், இது சாதாரண வாக்கியம். திஸ் இஸ் அ ஃபேன். Okay, I am writing a letter now. Sometimes I am not writing a letter now. Not. It may come in assertive statement. Not use பண்ணாலும். Okay. Then interrogative. Interrogative is a கேள்வி வாக்கியம். கேள்வி. WH and yes or no. Both. Where are you going? Did you complete your morning breakfast? எங்கே செல்கிறாய்? ஹோம்ஒர்க்கை முடிச்சுட்டியா? இந்த மாதிரி கேள்வியோடு இருக்கிறது. ends with question mark, children. That is interrogative. Then imperative. Imperative means it gives command, order, request. Okay. புக்கை எடு, ஜன்னல் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணு, இங்கே வா. Like that in Tamil we are saying, no. Open the book. Open your book. Please help me. Request. Okay. Listen carefully. Obey your parents' words. Likewise, that is imperative. That is kattalai vaakiyam. In Tamil we can say kattalai vaakiyam. Exclamatory. Exclamatory, it has some emotions. Ends with exclamatory mark. Ho, we won the match. Hooray, we won the match. Okay, alas, I lost my purse. Okay, so sometimes it has some emotion words, that is hooray, ho, alas, likewise. Otherwise, what a beautiful handwriting she has. Here, what a beautiful handwriting she has. What into the WH word? எடுத்தோன்னே WH நினச்சி கொஸ்டின் நினச்சிடக்கூடாது. அதை சென்டென்ஸை நல்லா ரீட் பண்ணி பார்க்கணும். ஓகே, ஸோ டிக்ளரேட்டிவ் இன் தமிழ் சாதாரண வாக்கியம், இன்ட்ராகேட்டிவ் இன் தமிழ் கேள்வி வாக்கியம், imperative in Tamil கட்டளை வாக்கியம், exclamatory in Tamil வியப்பு வாக்கியம். Okay, shall we go to the examples? See here, types of sentence. First one, declarative statement. I have a basketball game tonight. So this is a normal sentence. It didn't convey any order, question, anything. I just finished reading the book. Then interrogative question. Will you come to my game? Answer with question mark. No. Have you ever read this book? So like this question word means that is interrogative. Exclamatory, an exclamation. We won the game. Here we won the game. It may be a normal sentence, declarative, but they gave exclamatory mark so that this is exclamatory. This is the best book I have ever read. Okay, sometimes without emotion words also questions will come. Hooray, we won the match. அப்போ ஹுரேக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன அதுக்கு எக்ஸ்க்ளமேட்டரி இருக்கும். Then this is the book I have read. Here there is no emotional words. Sometimes may give, others not. Okay, then imperative. Imperative means command and a request. Command and a request. That is, please come and watch me play. Read this amazing book. Here exclamatory mark should not come, children. Sorry. Here imperative only. Here exclamatory mark should not come. Okay. So types of sentences are 4. That is declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Okay, declarative means it tells something and it ends with full stop. I have a blue dress. I haven't. Sometimes, not also. My sister is in the first grade. I am not watching a movie. So not also, sometimes negative words also sometimes come. Not sometimes. If we are using negative also, that is what? Declarative only. Interrogative. Interrogative means it asks something to us. That is, it's a question. And it ends with question mark. When are you eating? How do you play this game? Where have you been? Imperative. Imperative means it tells something strongly. That is order, request and command. Okay. So it ends with a full stop. Clean your room. Do your homework, please. Pick up those clothes. Likewise. Exclamatory. It shows strong feelings, emotions, and it ends with exclamatory mark. The dog has feeds. My hair is on fire. The car has a flat tire. Okay, here no emotional words, though it ends with what? Exclamatory mark. This is exclamatory only. Okay. How beautifully she is writing. So like that is also exclamatory. Wow, what a great idea. That is also exclamatory only. Okay. சந்தோஷத்துலையும் சோகத்துலையும் நம்ம சொல்கிறதுல எக்ஸ்க்ளமேட்டரி சொல்கிறோம். வியப்பா, ஐயோ நான் என் பர்ஸை தொலைச்சிட்டேனே, அல்லாஸ் ஐ லாஸ்ட் மை பர்ஸ், லைக் தட். ஓ நாங்கள் கேம் வின் பண்ணிட்டோம், கத்தோலையா ஹுர்ரே வி won the game, likewise. That and all the things are exclamatory. Okay children, today what we are seeing, today we have seen declarative, that is statement. Okay, statement, interrogative, imperative, then exclamative. There are 4 kinds of sentence. That is, once again say children, assertive, interrogative, imperative, then exclamative. Once again repeat please. Assertive, interrogative, imperative, then exclamative. There are 4 kinds of sentence. Children, today we will send one worksheet. Based on that, you want to write answer for that worksheet. Shall I show that worksheet to you? Yes, this is the worksheet. Shall we? First one, shall we read? Yes. Please clean your room before we leave for school. Please clean. It's just a request. So this is what? Imperative. Like that you want to write answer. Read the question carefully and see the punctuation mark. Whether it is ending with exclamatory mark. This is exclamatory mark, children. This is exclamatory mark. Okay. This is question mark. Okay. Exclamatory mark means exclamatory sentence. Question mark means interrogative. Okay. Order request means imperative. Normal sentence means assertive. Okay. This and this worksheet. Shall we see first one from this? What is your favorite game? Can you? Yeah, its clue is there. Question ends with question mark. So, it is a interrogative. Okay, children? Thank you. I hope you all understand this. Be safe in home, children. Children, daily you want to write a page and read a page. Then only you can improve your vocabulary. We have completed our unit 1, 2 and 3. Go through the lessons, question answers and poem question answers and book back exercises. Okay. Thank you.